Hello, my dear friends. Gather around because I have a special story to share with you today. It's a tale about the importance of telling the truth.
Yay, we love your stories, Benji.
Once upon a time, in a forest much like ours, there was a little fox named Frankie. Frankie was a playful fox who loved to explore. One day, Frankie found a shiny golden acorn. He was so excited that he decided to keep it a secret.
Oh, what did Frankie do with the acorn?
Frankie hid the acorn in a special spot in the forest. But soon, his friends, a squirrel named Sally and a rabbit named Robbie, noticed that Frankie was acting strangely. They asked him if something was wrong, but Frankie didn't tell them about the acorn. Instead, he made up a story about finding a secret treasure map.
Oh no, lying isn't good.
That's right. As days went by, Frankie felt guilty about not telling the truth. He couldn't enjoy playing with his friends because he was always worried they would find out he was lying. One day, Sally the squirrel lost her favorite nut and was very sad. Frankie saw how upset Sally was and realized that keeping secrets wasn't making anyone happy.
What did Frankie do next?
Frankie decided it was time to tell the truth. He gathered his friends and told them everything about the golden acorn and how he had made up the story about the treasure map. At first, Sally and Robbie were surprised, but then they were glad Frankie told the truth. They forgave him and were happy to help him find a safe place to keep the acorn.
That was very brave of Frankie.
Yes, it was. From that day on, Frankie felt so much better because he had told the truth. His friends trusted him even more, and they all had more fun together. Frankie learned that honesty makes friendships stronger and keeps everyone's hearts light and happy.
What a wonderful story, Benji.
Thank you, my friends. Remember, telling the truth is always the best choice. It keeps our hearts happy and our friendship strong. Now let's all go and enjoy the rest of this lovely evening together.